Today's recipe is from my new cookbook, Petits, comme, Liban. These are my 30 best Lebanese recipes, and also you can make those recipes in less than 30 minutes. Right now it's available only in French, but as soon as it gets translated, I'll let you know, of course. This video was already published a few months ago. Because it's Lebanese, I thought it would be interesting to publish it again today. So to make escabeche, you're going to need fish fillet. Today I'm using sea bream, but you could use sole, you could use mackerel. Mackerel is a great option actually for escabeche. You could use cod, any fish you'd like. There is dry white wine, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, 1 red onion, raisins. These are cedar nuts. The pine nuts are getting very expensive, and I find that cedar nuts are actually much less expensive and exactly just as good. You also need salt and a little bit of cinnamon. Let's start. Now we're going to cook the fish fillet. So you put half the quantity of oil in a non-stick pan. Warm it up on medium-high heat. And when it's warm, you can add the fillets. Let it cook for 2 minutes. And then we're going to cook them on the other side for 1 minute on medium heat. The fish are cooked enough. They don't need to be fully cooked because you'll see they're going to finish cooking with the boiling marinade that we're going to pour over them afterwards. Now we're going to cut the red onion in slices. As always, I cut it in half and then I peel it. We're just going to slice it. So in the same pan that cooked the fish and the same oil, we're going to soften the red onion. We also add the cedar nuts, the raisins, and the cinnamon. And we're going to cook this until the cedar nuts become brown and the red onion has melted. The smell of cinnamon is delicious. Now we're going to add the vinegar, the white wine. We're gonna go on high heat and let it reduce to 2/3. We want 1/3 of this liquid left. It's reduced enough. Now we can pour this boiling marinade over the fish fillet. The escabeche is ready. Now we just need to add the leftover olive oil. Now you have 3 options. Either you eat it right away, or it can wait for an hour or so at room temperature before you eat, or you keep it in the fridge for 1 to 2 days. The only thing you have to know is it's good if you take it out of the fridge an hour before meal. This way it will be at room temperature and not too cold. When you're ready to serve, you just take the fillets out of the bowl and add them to a plate. And voilà, à table!